Hello, Professor Pee-wee here from Einstein's Entertainers with another science experiment that you guys can do at home. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be learning about the clouds and rain by using a couple of cups and some cotton wool buds. So what you can see is hopefully when we add in this water is that this is going to represent the rain. Can you see how these cotton wool buds are representing the clouds, and slowly when we add in all the water, if you watch, it will slowly begin to rain. Ready? I'll leave it down on the table so you guys can see. Ready? It will begin to rain slowly. Can you see? Oh, it's starting to rain out of there. Now this is because what happens is there's something called the water cycle. And what happens is the water in the sea gets evaporated and rises up as water vapour and condenses in the sky as clouds. So all of the white stuff that you see in the sky is water vapour. And then what happens is then more and more water condenses, and then have you seen when the clouds turn grey? That means it's about to rain. And then what happens is when we have the water in there and more and the clouds can't hold any more water vapour, is it falls back down as rain. So that's what happens with our clouds. Now, to do this experiment, it's super easy. What you're going to do is you're going to need one big cup and one cup that's slightly smaller that can fit inside. You're also going to need some cotton wool buds and a safety pin. Now, first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're probably going to need a parent to help you with this, or an adult, and you're going to need to start poking some holes at the bottom of your cup so the rain can fall through. You'll pop those holes in there. There we go. And then what I've done is, if you can see on my other one with my extra safety pins, is I've held the cup in place. So you could also do that if you want to with it. Again, you might want an adult to help you with this. So I'm going to pop that through, hold it on there. And next what we need to do is we need to add our cotton wool balls so it looks like the clouds. I'm going to pop that in there. So there we have our cloud inside. And then we have our water. Now I've added some blue food colouring to this so you guys can see the water. And then all we have to do is pour it in, and you can see how the water vapour condenses into the clouds and it soaks it up, and then eventually it comes back down as rain. Ready? So if you keep watching the bottom of the cup, you might be able to see eventually it should rain. Ready? Can you see that? Oh, it's beginning to rain. Can you see that? So there you go, guys. That's a quick little experiment to tell you about our water cycle and how clouds work. But guys, don't forget, if you have enjoyed this experiment, to tell other people and to like and subscribe. But guys, don't forget to keep safe and to wash your hands. See you soon, guys.